So we have four lines of products. I'll go into the fruit snack part. We have four lines of products. We started with the fruit jerky. This is one half of a whole organic pineapple. That's the only ingredient. And we're talking the small organic pineapple. So this is one half of an organic pineapple. And you can see the pieces of pineapple behind it. And then when you open it, the room smells like pineapple. It's a very unique product. It has one ingredient. It has no sugar added, no chemicals, no nothing. It's just pineapple. This product has been very successful. It sells very, very well because once people understand what it is and try it, and it's priced very, very aggressively because it's even cheaper than buying a whole mango. So the mango one is a whole fresh organic mango pressed into a strip, and it's cheaper to buy this, Lori, than to buy a fresh organic mango at the same store. So, and this is convenient, and you can just take it around. So we started with this line. We have 11 SKUs in this line. We have mixes with banana and cacao to get the chocolate flavor, and we have some chili and salt products as well. And we have a cacao drizzled, where you can see the drizzle on the back. So this is real. It's not marketing. It is real. It is real that it's indulgent, and it's real that it's clean, and it's real that it's convenient.
So talk more about some of the other product lines. So that's the jerky line. And then what else? We've mentioned the fruit snacks.
So the second line that we have is our gummies or fruit snacks.
Okay.
So we have four flavors, but this is an amazing product because I'll show you the product. Every little box has 5 of these. So, and one of these, I'll show you the product. So this is 2 ingredients. It's guava, organic guava and organic mango, and a touch of vitamin C. That's the only ingredients. This competes with the fruit snacks that you're talking about that say there's a lot of fruit, but it's fruit juice or it's a different product. But this is only organic fruit. And you can see the product, Lori. It's like a gummy. It's like a gummy for children. It's very, very tasty. This is a game changer for the category.
Is it merchandised in the same area as the traditional fruit snacks?
Correct. And it's really a game changer. This is a deep change. So all other fruit snacks have 20 ingredients, some of which are fruit juice or fruit juice concentrate. This is organic fruit, but children are eating it as a fruit snack. So it's an amazing product, and it's organic, and it's not apple-based, which there's a thing there with apple-based products. So we're very excited, and it's been growing a lot. We have 4 products. We have the mango one, we have an orange one, we have a guava, which is my favorite, and we have a passion fruit that I don't have here right now, but it's amazing. The passion fruit is very, very good. So that's another technology, Lori, that we developed that is very unique and special. And then we have a dried fruit line on which we have like the regular dried fruit, but mango strips, mango halves, pineapple. The thing about dried fruit is that it has had a very deep evolution in the last 5 years. So before that, everyone was buying like the glow in the dark pineapple rings with the crust of sugar, and in reality, the fruit was just a vehicle to put sugar on the product. Then it started changing. We started doing this in Europe first. It started changing to all natural, and then to organic. And our dried fruit is special because we have the capacity to control the input and the quality of the fruit that we put in first. And then we own our own manufacturing technology to dry the product mildly, not to change the flavor in the product and have a very nice texture. So even if it's merchandised as any organic dried fruit product, it's very, very different in quality and it's very special. So we're becoming leaders with organic tropical dried fruit as well. We have many different products. We have things like this that are pieces of dried fruit. This is pieces of pineapple, which is very nice to take with you. Very high added value. This has two ingredients, cacao and mango, no added sugar, but you have the chocolatey texture and flavor of a chocolate, but with a mango strip.